My name is Lindsey and I work as a secretary for this team, the staff development team within human resources. I decided to learn Welsh in work because growing up it was my second language through school, and once I got a job in HR I decided that the Welsh language was really important and a lot of my team were speaking Welsh, so I decided to learn more Welsh, or better my Welsh if you like. During my time working in HR staff development, I've done various courses, such courses as Welsh in the workplace, which was 2 to 3 days. I've also done a written Welsh course, so clear Welsh writing, which I found really difficult. However, it has benefited my written Welsh when it comes to writing emails, etc. I've also helped Jenny Pye with a few of the summer schools, the Welsh summer schools that we hold here at Bangor University. I've also gained my level 4 and level 5 doing Welsh in the workplace with Jenny Pye, the Welsh tutor. Tips that I would give for others learning Welsh would be to not to be scared, to try where possible to speak Welsh. What I have found is people within the university seem to be really helpful and they really appreciate the fact that you've actually attempted to learn Welsh and put it into practice. So whether it's face-to-face or on the phone or via email, I would say give things a go. There's a lot of help out there.